So today we'll be making this spa headband, so without further ado, let's head to craft it. So to start, chain 46, and then to start your first row, put a half double crochet into the second chain from your hook. And put 1 half double crochet into each of the following chains. Next, chain 1, turn your project and put 1 half double crochet into all the stitches of your previous round. Once you've completed your second row, chain 1 and half double crochet into all the stitches of your previous round. Now that your third row is done, put your 2 edges together and slip stitch them together by lining up the 2 edges. Tie off. Where are my scissors? Where are my scissors? Then trim your ends. Next, set your headband aside. Then chain 11, half double crochet into the second chain from the hook and into each chain across. After you finish this row, chain 1 and half double crochet into the stitches of the previous row. Once you have finished your second row, chain 1 and half double crochet into each stitch of the previous round. Once you have finished your third row, chain 1 and half double crochet into all the stitches of the previous round. Once you finish your fourth row, tie it off and trim down your excess string. Next, cut 12 inches from your yarn. Put it under the piece of your bow that you just made. Bend your bow together, take your string over, and tie it together. Knot it. Why is this uneven? Then take your headband with your seam below and attach your bow to the side of the middle by tucking your yarn through to the back side and tying it on the back side. Then trim off your ends and your new spa headband is completed. And this is how your spa headband should look. I think it is so cute and I'm so glad I made it. Thank you for joining today's video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!